I want to talk a little bit about the bulk editor. So when you have a lot of collections and a lot of products, it can be quite a daunting prospect of having to, if you find you need to tweak something or edit something within a lot of products, it's quite daunting the thought of doing that. So I just want to introduce you to the bulk editor and how that works. So just as an example, I'm just going to click on this first one here, and I'm going to edit products, and then you'll see here across the top it shows all the options that I can edit along here. So if I want to put some on sale, for example, I can just say, well, you know, the raspberry aren't selling, so let's put those on sale and make them $3.95. Okay, really quickly to kind of update stuff, add SKUs. If I want to edit other fields here, I can just go in here. I can edit any part of the product, anything here. Even the SEO elements, the page title and the description, and I can do all of that from within this bulk editor, and I can do all of them at the same time, and then just hit save, and that will update. And you don't just have to do it on one product, you can literally select everything, okay, and edit everything all in one go here, okay, and again select any of these fields. So it really can save you time. Again, this, when you click on the more actions, once you've highlighted something, there's all these options as well that you can make them available, unavailable. You can add and remove tags, and you can add and remove to collections as well. All right. So just wanted to kind of highlight that it can be a very handy tool to save you a little bit of time when you're updating products. That dog collar here, when I updated, so now you can see on, I can't remember which one it was a raspberry one, wasn't it? It was a raspberry, and I can't remember what size, but there we go, it's that. So now that's on sale, that it's in, so it's updated it. So that's just a little bit, maybe something to make your life a little bit easier when you're managing a lot of products in the back end. Just don't forget that bulk editor is available for you.